Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to multi-track record in Audacity. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to layer multiple audio recordings on top of each other, whether you're creating music, podcasts, or any other audio project that requires separate tracks. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, you'll see the main interface with all the recording controls at the top. To begin recording your first track, simply click the record button at the top of the screen. This red circular button will start capturing your audio immediately, so make sure your microphone is set up and ready to go before you click it. Now speak, sing, or play your instrument to record whatever audio you need for your first track. When you're finished with this recording, click the stop button at the top to end the recording session. The stop button is the square icon right next to the record button, and clicking it will finalize your first audio track. Here's where the multi-track feature comes into play. Navigate to the top toolbar and click on Tracks. This will open a drop-down menu with several options for managing your audio tracks. From this menu, hover your mouse over Add New and you'll see additional options appear. You can select mono track, stereo track, label track, or time track depending on what you need for your project. Each option serves a different purpose, so choose the one that best fits your recording needs. For this example, let's click stereo track, though you should select whichever option matches your preferences and project requirements. Once you make your selection, the new track will appear at the bottom of your first track in the Audacity workspace. This is where you'll record your second layer of audio. Before you start recording on this new track, click on the spot where you want to begin recording. This selection ensures that your new recording starts at exactly the right moment and aligns properly with your first track. Clicking on the track activates it and prepares it for recording. Now, click the record button at the top again to start recording on your newly added track. Audacity will record on the selected track while playing back your first track, allowing you to hear your original recording and sync your new one perfectly. Once you've finished recording this second track, click the stop button at the top to end the recording session. If you need to add even more tracks, simply repeat this process. Go back to Tracks, add another new track, position your cursor where you want to start, and record again. You can layer as many tracks as your project requires, building up a complex, professional-sounding multi-track recording. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to multi-track record in Audacity, giving you the ability to create layered, professional audio projects. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.